What's up, JCs and JSets? JC Saves 09 here, and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. Now, last episode, we could not beat Night 2 options. On. Alright. Continue Night 2. Are you gonna come, guy? For now, we just have to watch Pirate Cove and Show Stage. Oh no, that's a rare, and that's a rare sight too. To have all of them look at you. All of them are looking at me. That's very rare. After that Golden Freddy encounter, I'm scared that's going to change again. Stop looking at me, creepos. Creepos. Hi, Endo Bonnie. Hi. Why are you there? Chica is there. Bonnie's there. None of them are looking at me anymore. Except Bonnie. Weirdo. In the West Hall. Don't run. Don't yell, don't scream. He's in the supply closet, don't twitch. Back in the West Hall. Oh, hi. Do not come any closer. One A, one B, one C, one and two B. Guys, in the supply closet. Chica restroom? No. She's in the kitchen. Okay. And oh no.
No, I gave it to him.
Okay, what? Oops. I'm sorry y'all had to see that, but hi Chica. But I just had to clean storage space on my phone. Just that poster right there that says local pizzeria said to close by year's end, that could change. Or I should save power. I am being wasteful on power, and that's how I died last time. Is the cupcake always looking at me? Does that piss off Freddy? Let's just keep doing this. We're at 4 a.m. That's bad. Foxy! I forgot about Foxy. Oh. I don't know if you heard that in the footage, but I kicked my thing. I kicked the chip can. Oh, okay.